Stop trying to be an architect with the Loomis method. Seriously, all those circles and grids, they just make you overthink and completely mess up the proportions. Ditch the geometry class, I mean it. I'm going to show you a cheat code to portraits that ignores all those complex rules. It starts with a total mess. Let's go. I'm grabbing a basic HB pencil here. Look, I'm not measuring anything. I'm just scribbling the outline by eye. This is the anti-Loomis approach, right? We are capturing the feeling of the Joker, not the math. I'm doing this Scribble technique to set up a trap for the shadows later. If you commit to perfect lines now, you lose the soul of the drawing. So keep it loose, because what comes next looks like I'm about to ruin the whole paper, honestly. Here comes the destruction, man. Grab a tissue. If you don't have charcoal powder, just grind up some pencil shavings. It works fine, I promise. Now watch. I'm smearing darkness over the shadows. It looks scary, right? Like I lost the drawing completely. This is called shadow mapping. We are focusing only on where the light isn't. But this dark powder is useless without the tool I'm about to use next. It's actually more important than the pencil itself, believe it or not. Boom. The electric eraser. Or a regular one, doesn't matter. See, I'm not drawing lines anymore. I'm carving light out of the darkness we just made. This is way more forgiving than trying to get a perfect chin line on the first try. It gives us something to sculpt. But the face still looks like a ghost. To turn him into a psychopath, we gotta go heavy. Enter the Staedtler Black 8B. This is the heavy artillery. Now, all those loose scribbles from step 1, they act like a guide. I'm hitting the eyes, pushing the contrast. This is the moment the drawing starts breathing. You have to trust the chaos. But be careful. Usually people mess up everything in the next step when they touch the hair. Hair isn't about individual hairs, guys. It's about shapes. Keep it wild, just like him. I'm moving fast to the body now. See how it all connects? The mess, the eraser, the dark lead. No grids, just flow. But there is a tiny secret about this shading technique that is slightly different from how I drew Walter White. We are in the end game now, refining the details. It feels gritty and real because we built it from the shadows up, not lines down. It's not perfect, it's chaotic, and that's the point. If you enjoyed this lazy method, you need to see the Walter White video on the screen right now. The technique is similar, but I break a major rule in that one. Go check if you can spot the difference. Catch you there.